Owain, welcome to FWTV. Thought it'd be nice to have a quick catch-up after yesterday's fantastic win. What was it like being part of the squad that won its first game at the Euros?
It was incredible, The thing is, we've waited so long to see Wales in a tournament like this, and what a dream start, First win, and obviously who else to score the opener than Gareth Bale, and he did it in style as well.
Yeah, in terms of the support as well, it was absolutely fantastic. Fans all around the stadium, fans on the bench. Yourself was a big fan before sort of being called up to the squad and everything, and being a professional footballer. So, what does the support mean to the players?
Oh, the support were unbelievable, to be honest with you. I've never heard the anthem being sung so loud and so well, and so passionate by the supporters that turned up. Not only in the stadium, but outside, around Bordeaux, everywhere. It was a sea of red shirts, which is unbelievable to see that everyone came down from Wales and found their way down to Bordeaux. It was quite special, and you know what, they pushed the lads on, and it was a dream start for us and for everyone involved with Wales.
And there's obviously a rumour going around that the players received special messages before the match. How much did that help? Yeah,
it was actually quite a nice touch. Normally before a game we have an inspiration video, but yesterday was slightly different because it was quite personal. Just a short clip from each of the boys' family, just saying good luck and wishing us all the best. It was quite nice because we haven't seen them in a couple of weeks, so it was a nice touch, and obviously that influenced the boys to get the job done.
Yeah, you mentioned about sort of being away from family and friends. This is a new experience for everybody involved. How important is it to sort of have that together stronger sort of motto behind everyone? Because it's a very tight-knit team.
Yeah, you know what, we've seen in the past, before we qualified, there was a bond here between everyone within the squad, and again, that I suppose that helps, because being away from home and being with each other 24 hours a day, it's quite demanding, but because we know each other so well, everyone gets along so well together and bounce off each other. Obviously it shows on the pitch that everyone pulls through and pulls together, gets the job done, and obviously when we win like we did yesterday, the place is absolutely over the moon. Everyone's buzzing, and it's fantastic.
It's impossible to not notice the amount of good wishes on social media. It's sort of exploded with regards to the win yesterday. Have the players been looking at what the fans have been tweeting? And I'd imagine you've probably received hundreds of messages yourself.
Yeah, well, you know what, the support we've had has been unbelievable. We see that, everyone was outside the hotel before the game, cheering us on. Everyone in good spirits, and obviously I'm sure after the game, I'm sure the whole of Wales, or whoever that was left in the country, was celebrating along with the guys here in France. It's quite special, but yeah, even this morning and lunchtime, the boys were on their phone having a look at how the fans were celebrating back home. It's quite nice. At the end of the day, we're all in it together, and it's a fantastic time.
And even France celebrated victory as well. Did you see the Eiffel Tower lit up in Welsh colours and the Welsh flag? Have you seen that?
Yeah, well, I've never seen that done before, but it's quite nice, isn't it? But that's down to the work the boys have done on the pitch. Without that, we wouldn't be here now, and we wouldn't have. The Eiffel Tower wouldn't be Welsh colours, I suppose, would it, if it wasn't for the boys yesterday?